Congratulations on becoming a father. At Dad's Uni, we believe that every man has the potential within them to become a wonderful father to his children. Dad's Uni aims to provide practical biblical training to help young men in growing their families God's way. We hope you find these simple teachings to be both encouraging and informative. Remember, if you enjoy our teachings, please subscribe and like our podcasts, and share them with someone else who also might benefit. Don't forget to check out our free ebooks and blogs on our dadsuni.com website. God bless. John Nolan. Dad's Uni.
Tip 21. Eat dinner together as a family.
The simple act of having a meal together can be a strategic opportunity for families to connect at a deeper and more meaningful level. In our busy 21st century lives, it is often difficult for some families to find the time to share a meal together with all the members of the family present. Often the parents are getting home late from work, or the children are at football practice or dancing rehearsal, etc. many nights of the week. It is therefore important that you schedule in a time when everybody will be available to eat together as a family. These times can become treasured memories in a child's life, as they are times when we have an opportunity to connect both individually and as a family. When children feel that they are an important and valued member of a family, they don't need to look outside the family unit so much to belong. This can help to avoid your children forming relationships outside the family that may be unhealthy or detrimental long-term. Many young people these days look to their peers or even local street gangs for a sense of belonging, often because they are not receiving the love and attention they need at home. This can be a step toward a life of drug abuse and crime if the real problem is not recognized and addressed. Children, like adults, will always have a need and a desire to feel loved and appreciated. This does not diminish as they grow older, but often submerges below the radar as they learn how to put on a front or facade. Open and honest communication is required to offset the chances of these facades or walls going up between individual members or entire family units. Having a meal together regularly is an opportunity to communicate, rather than just a time to feed ourselves. The aim should be to enjoy each other's company and see how things are going with each child. As the father, you should attempt to ensure that everyone gets a chance to talk or express an opinion on any topics of discussion throughout the meal. You can also help to steer the conversations into areas that are positive while not stifling the discussion. By getting your children to talk and express their opinions, you can also identify any problem areas that may arise and deal with these privately later.
Suggested action.
Schedule a regular time for your whole family to come together and share a meal. This should be at least once a week if possible, and make sure that mobile phones, TV, and stereos are turned off to avoid distractions. Remember, the aim is to enjoy each other's company, so keep it fun.
Scripture references.
Acts chapter 2 verse 46. So continuing daily with one accord in the temple, and breaking bread from house to house, they ate their food with gladness and simplicity of heart.
A father's testimony.
As fathers, we should have a desire to be active participants in our children's lives. Asa Don Brown.